Hi there. This video is to help you determine if purchasing a sound bowl is right for you. So there are two main reasons why you might want to purchase a sound bowl. The first is for a spiritual component to balance the chakras, attune to your energy, cleanse your aura. The other reason would be for more of a scientific reason to help the mind relax. If you have racing thoughts, inability to sleep, high stress, high anxiety, like monkey mind, sound bowl could be a good option for you. So let's explore. You're going to need a mallet, a rubber mallet, a suede mallet, a crystal mallet, whatever you prefer. And you're going to have to choose which sound bowl you prefer. And you could do that based on the chakra, or really, I think that it's best if you listen to the sound and feel what sound resonates with you the most. Okay? Generally, for your first sound bowl, I recommend the root. The root is the biggest, but it's our foundation. It's where everything starts. It's our basic needs. It's our connection. It's our foundation. Like, everything starts here. And if the root chakra is imbalanced, we're going to not be able to build upon that, and we're going to have some other insufficiencies or imbalances along the way. So listen to this sound. You're just going to simply rub the mallet on the bowl here. Very easy. And you want to focus on the breath. Breathing in. Breathing out. And just notice, how does this sound feel to me? All right? And we'll try the heart bowl just for fun. And let's just see what you feel best with. Another good place to start. If these sounds feel really good, purchasing a sound bowl is probably a good choice for you. I hope you enjoyed, and reach out if you'd like to purchase a sound bowl. Thank you.